Quickly, let me show you how you can show your screen on Zoom. And you can see this is the link to the Zoom that will be sent to you on WhatsApp. You are going to click on it and wait for it to load. Then click on launch meeting. You click on join from your browser. So you will be made the host. When you are the host, you will be able to share your screen. Okay, so this is where you can share your screen. And if you want the people to see you, you on your video. Okay, you on your video. If you don't want people to see you, you off the video. Then if you want them to hear your voice, you have to unmute yourself. It is when you unmute yourself before they can hear what you are talking. Okay, so these are the most important thing. Unmute yourself, share your video so that they can see you, then share your screen. Now let's go to sharing your screen. You click on this, and if I select here, whatever I'm doing on my screen, all the attendants will be able to see it. So you simply select it like this, then you mark this so that in case there is an audio going on your system, the participant will be able to hear the audio. And you click on share. Once you share, they will start seeing your screen. So that is how you can share your screen, so that I will be able to understand what is going on your system and advise you accordingly. Okay,